Hello, I'm Lisa and I work here at Worcester Timber Products. We are elite gold stockists of the Dual Post range by Birkdale. We're here based in Worcester, supplying Worcester and surrounding areas with a range of the dual post, fencing, sheds and all in between for all your garden products. We have the full range of the Birkdale dual post, from cappings, the posts themselves to composite gravel boards and all in between. We keep a whole range on site so you can come and pick it up. If you're based in Worcester or the Worcestershire area and you're interested in getting a fencing installation, whether that's through one of our partners or you're planning to do it yourselves directly, we have everything on stock on site. You can come and have a look, you can come and have a chat. We're happy to do consultations. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 till 5:30, and on Saturdays, 8:30 till 2:30. So you're welcome to come down and have a chat with us. We will do our utmost to help you with any of your requirements, no matter how big or small. And you can find us on our website, www.worcestertimberproducts.co.uk. We look forward to seeing you.